At Westcott, we're dedicated to our customers' needs when we design our products. We're photographers too, and we've spent years developing a family of portable flashes to meet the needs of every type of image maker. In 2019, we introduced the FJ400 AC/DC strobe and FJX2M universal wireless trigger. Pairing a 400-watt-second strobe that offers the most full-power flashes per charge and under a second recycle time with the industry's only trigger that's compatible with virtually any camera brand. Now, it's time to reveal our next FJ wireless flash system innovations. Our customers asked for even more portable lighting options with the same performance features as the FJ400, including high-speed sync up to 1/8,000th of a second, TTL, and more when paired with an FJ wireless flash system transmitter. All FJ flashes work seamlessly with each other over a 2.4 GHz wireless system and offer unrivaled 5500 Kelvin color temperature stability, so all of your photos will have consistent color when using any combination of strobes. They're built with long-lasting lithium polymer batteries for extended runtimes and lightning-fast recycle times to ensure you never miss a shot. With an intuitive menu system and LCD color displays, all FJ flashes feature continuous capture up to 20 frames per second, group and channel assignment, group exposure compensation, TTL to manual equivalent, modeling lamp settings, and more. The FJ80 is the industry's first round-head touchscreen Speedlight with an integrated radio transceiver for the FJ wireless flash system. Just like the FJX2M, it has the same revolutionary multi-brand compatibility with most Canon, Nikon, Sony, Fuji, Panasonic Lumix, and Olympus cameras. Perfect for event photography, the FJ80 can be used on camera as both a speedlight and transmitter for controlling FJ and Canon RT flashes or positioned anywhere off camera. With its 2.8-inch LCD color touchscreen, navigating a speedlight menu system has never been easier. The 80-watt-second articulating round flash head with a 3.2-inch diameter weighs a mere 1.18 pounds with battery for the ultimate in portability. The FJ200 strobe is designed for photographers looking for a compact flash without sacrificing power. With an industry-leading 0.5 to 1.3 second recycle time, this 200-watt-second strobe with round head easily fits in the palm of your hand and comes standard with additional lighting controls. Like the FJ400, the FJ200 is intelligently designed with an extended flash tube to provide superior light output and a more even light spread, fulfilling light modifiers compared to traditional flashes. Now with additional flashes, wireless transmitter and receiver options, and versatile light shaping modifiers, our FJ wireless flash system allows you to light without limits.